We're demonstrating the prop and scenery lights LED candle flame strip. It's a 12-inch long strip with 24 LEDs. And we're making a burning log for themed entertainment using Cholla wood, or Cholla, Cholla, out of resin. It's a plastic version of the wood, and it is very well suited for building props because it is very uniform. Each piece is consistent. It's made out of a plastic resin. You can easily find it. It's used for aquariums and aquatic life. It's just very easy and handy to put a LED strip right down the middle of it. You can hot glue it or make it into different formations. As you can see, it has apertures through the resin log that the light shines through, and it's just a very handy way to make a prop burning log. And I'll demonstrate it here with a little bit of dry ice to see what it would look like with a little bit of fog from dry ice or a commercial chemical fog generator, smoke generator. You can see it kind of gives a nice appearance. The dry ice fog can kind of go down and float through the holes in the log and give you a nice glow and appearance. Of course, we're not looking for perfection here. I'm just demonstrating the concept. Here, I'll drop it on top of the dry ice. You can see a little bit of that effect there. So you can come up with some creative ideas. It's just a very simple, quick way. The Prop and Scenery Lights Candle Flame Strip Light Kit has the 12-inch strip. It has the controller and a battery holder assembly. This is a dual voltage LED strip. It'll run on a 9-volt battery, or you can use the included 8AA cell battery holder for 12 volts, which gives it a little more light output. I'm kind of fanning the fog from the dry ice there. If you ever use a fog generator, you might want a little fan or something to get the fog to move around. A little bit of a close-up here. You can see the apertures and the light strip inside there. It's nice because the LEDs will shine and kind of the light will bounce around in there, give you a little bit of a glow. So as you can see, it's a very handy product for making a creative burning log and using it along with our Prop and Scenery Lights candle flame strip. You can buy the lighting kit on Amazon, and I found this resin cholla wood on Amazon also. Thank you for watching. We also sell the lighting kit on our website.